Today's video is all about helping you transform your skin and improve its glow. So let's dig in. Hi, I'm Sue and this is Leslie, our skincare expert, and we're here to give you tips so that you can get the best skin of your life. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and come back all the time for more skincare tips. So Leslie, what do people actually mean when they say their skin is dull?
So everybody associates luminous, bright, glowing skin with, of course, youthful skin. And if you picture, the skin of a baby, it's really juicy, it's really plump, and it has a lot of inner luminosity. It almost looks like it's lit from within.
Right.
Usually what people are referring to is a lack of luminosity, or they're missing that healthy glow. And that's what we tend to lose as the skin starts to age.
Okay, so I understand what you mean by that sort of dull or grayed out appearance, but how does that actually happen to our skin? What's going on?
There's a couple things for most people that can cause that dull or uneven complexion. A big one is dehydration. So when your skin is lacking that inner water supply, it tends to have a little bit more of a grayish appearance to your complexion. And also it tends to be less supple or bouncy or kind of dewy, which is something that we associate with having like a more glowing and luminous complexion.
Sure.
Another big one certainly can be sun exposure. So if you have sun damage or prolonged sun exposure, you can tend to have a little bit more of a less uniform complexion, or maybe you'll have some areas that appear lighter or darker or generally uneven.
Okay.
Another big one, of course, is cellular renewal and regeneration. So when we're younger, the time it takes for our skin to renew itself is about every 28 days. It means that every month you're getting fresh new skin.
Okay.
But as we start to age, that process begins to slow down. So it takes longer for our skin to shed away that dead tissue. And that buildup of dead skin on the surface can certainly contribute to a more dull or less glowing complexion. Also, a couple other things, poor sleep quality. So if you're not getting your full 8 hours on a regular basis, that can definitely make your skin appear a little bit more dull. And other things like pollution or air quality. So if you live in an area where the air quality is poor, or if you have a lot of pollution exposure, you're definitely gonna notice a less glowing complexion.
Okay, Leslie, so what can we do about this?
So there's a few different things you can do to help improve your skin's overall brightness or luminosity. A big one, probably the most important, is exfoliation. Right? So you want to make sure that you're exfoliating your skin on a regular basis to help eliminate that dead skin buildup, and that means all your other skincare products are going to be able to absorb better. Okay. So whether you use chemical exfoliation, like an alpha hydroxy acid, something like glycolic acid, for example, or a mechanical exfoliator, meaning something that has a little bit of a scrubbing action to it, you want to make sure that you're making that part of your regular routine, but no more than 1 to 2 times per week. Okay? And then very important, I would look for a serum that has brightening antioxidants, things like vitamin C, vitamin E. Those ingredients are really going to help to make the complexion look a lot more luminous and glowing, and it'll also help with the evenness in the tone by helping to eliminate excess pigmentation damage or sun damage. Okay. Finally, you probably are going to guess that I'm going to say this. You need to wear sunscreen on a daily basis, and that is going to keep your skin uniform and clear and prevent new damage from settling in.
Okay, great. All great information. Thank you so much, Leslie.
My pleasure.
And thank you for joining us. Remember to come back and join us again for more great skincare tips while we help you get the best skin of your life. Subscribe below and leave a comment or a question, and we'll try to get to those and answer them. We'll see you next time.